फोर्स संघटना जो निर्णय घेता तो जाहीर सभेत लोकांक विश्वासान घेवन घेता. फोर्स संघटना गोंयचे पालक आनी विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर संघर्श करता. राजकीय पक्षाचो तेंको संघटनेक नाका. गोंयचे पालक संघटनेच्या फावरान आसा अशें फोर्स संघटनेचे निमंत्रक सावियो लोपीस हांणी सांगलां. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
See, as of today, Force has never disclosed what are its plan of action. We have never disclosed that. If need be, I don't know, could be, if at all, because whatever decisions we take in a general body meeting when they authorize us to do it. We don't take it on our own. So I am not authorized to take a decision as of now. But if need arises and if the parents feel that it is needed, why not?
Why is Force very slow in this issue?
We are not slow. We are absolutely not slow.
Because last time you all had meeting and thereafter nothing happened.
We had meetings. We are having meetings. We are having meetings on regular intervals in different places. We have been having meetings. We only don't go to show. We don't make a public, show that okay, fine, this is what we are doing. We are not an arrogant group. We know what is our limit and where we have to do and when we have to do. If you talk about the other group, if you talk about the BBSM, you just go to the language that they use in their agitations. Is that language to be used? We also can use that. We also can retaliate in the same way that they are doing it. But we are having a lot of restraint. We are having it. But if pushed to the corner and pushed to the wall, yes, we will also use the same language and we'll also use the same aggression. But we feel that it is not needed as of now. So when it's needed, yes, we will do it because we understand that we are a society which should behave in a respectful manner. We are fighting for the parents. We are fighting for the parents,
and we are any other groups.
No. See, we are fighting for the parents and we are fighting for the children of Goa. So what matters to us is the parents and the children of Goa are with us. We don't need any other organization to support us. We don't need any political party to support us because we are a group of parents and students. We are enough of a force in itself. We don't need anybody. If I don't have a mass support, then I have to be a parasite and lean on others for support. We are not parasites.